Today, I am reviewing Landa, a fintech app that promises to make real estate investing accessible to anyone through fractional shares of rental properties. The idea is straightforward. Instead of saving up thousands of dollars for a down payment, Landa allows you to buy small shares in individual rental units and earn dividends from the rental income. On the surface, this makes property ownership more inclusive, but after testing the platform extensively, I found both strengths and weaknesses that you need to know. When you first sign up, the app is clean and easy to navigate. Registration only requires a few personal details and identity verification, which is standard for financial apps. Once inside, you are greeted with a dashboard that showcases available properties, their share price, expected dividend yield, and occupancy rate. It looks almost like browsing stocks, but instead of companies, you are buying fractions of houses and apartments. This presentation makes real estate feel approachable, even for beginners. Investing is as simple as clicking on a property, choosing the number of shares, and confirming the purchase. The transaction takes only seconds, and soon enough, your dashboard updates to show your position. Dividends are automatically paid into your account when tenants pay their rent, and Landa takes care of property management, tenant issues, and expenses. This automation is convenient, but it also means you don't control the operations or have insight into day-to-day management decisions. The returns are variable. Some properties deliver steady monthly dividends, while others face delays due to vacancies or maintenance costs. This unpredictability is a real drawback. Unlike traditional dividend stocks, where companies often have long records of consistent payments, rental income is subject to real-world complications. Tenants may miss payments, properties may sit empty, and unexpected repairs can eat into profits. Landa is transparent about these risks, but many users underestimate them. One concern I noticed is liquidity. Selling your shares is not always instant. The app relies on other investors being willing to buy your shares, which means if demand is low, you might be stuck holding your investment longer than expected. This can be frustrating if you need cash quickly. The company is working on improving this, but as of now, it's a limitation worth considering. Security and compliance are decent, as Landa is regulated and provides regular reports to users. Still, the app is relatively new compared to established financial institutions. It lacks the long history that gives investors confidence in stability. While I haven't experienced major issues with deposits or withdrawals, some users online report delays in processing, which should be taken into account. I remember a night when my family urgently needed money and banks were closed. That's when I discovered Nemo Money. The transfer was instant, so go to the link in the description right now and start using the service today with a $50 bonus credited to your account, saving time and knowing your money arrives without hidden fees. Back to Landa, one of the attractive features is the ability to diversify. Since shares are cheap, often under $10, you can spread your money across multiple properties, reducing risk. For beginners who want exposure to real estate but can't afford a full property, this is a practical way to start. However, it should not replace long-term strategies such as retirement accounts or diversified stock portfolios. Landa works best as a side allocation, not the foundation of your finances. The app also highlights community features, showing how many investors are participating in each property. While this adds a social element, it can also create herd behavior, with many people chasing the same popular properties, leaving less attention for others that may have stronger fundamentals. It's important to do your own analysis instead of blindly following trends. Customer support is responsive but limited. I found the help center to be fairly detailed, but getting a real person takes time. Live chat is not always available, and responses may be delayed to business hours. For a financial service where people's money is on the line, this is an area that should improve. Overall, my honest opinion is that Landa offers an exciting new way to access real estate investing, but it is not without risk. It provides convenience, automation, and affordability, but investors should go in with realistic expectations. Dividends are not guaranteed, liquidity can be an issue, and long-term growth is still uncertain as the company matures. If you are curious about real estate and want to test the waters with a small amount of money, Landa can be a useful tool. If you are looking for guaranteed passive income, this may not be the right platform. Diversification, Patience and risk awareness are key when using Landa. That's my full breakdown of the app. If you found this review useful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button so you never miss future deep dive reviews.